I just booked a $3,000 a night hotel room at the Venetian in Las Vegas. Let's see if it's worth it. What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Lewis. This is Diddy, and welcome to our crib. So one of my favorite things about... Actually, I'm pretty parched. Drink, please. Thank you. This is my assistant, Taylor, y'all, by the way.
FYI, it's the last one from the mini bar.
Okay, so we're gonna go on to the living room. One of my favorite things about the house is the imported marble table from Sicily. This right here was about 13 grand. These couches are custom made. Pillows were actually hand sewn in France by Hermes, or as the French would say, Hermes. So I actually had these curtains voice activated. So whenever I say, curtains open, the curtains will just open like that, all of them. Even the sheer ones, when I say sheer open, opens right up. So yeah, that's one of the perks about having money, have everything voice activated. So I decided to invest in this $3 million Rothko piece. This one is actually called Wealth. And I think next year it'll be worth like 5 million. Got you guys here access to my exclusive dining room. As you can see, I have the Hermes cushion on the chairs. This chandelier is from Morocco, Taylor? Morocco, what century?
13th.
13th century of Morocco. I believe it was from their royalty. So we have the round table here. Well, me, I'm more like King Arthur style. So I'm more democratic and I want everyone to feel important. Step into my private bar over here, where I have my assistant.
I have to go get ice from the ice machine.
You mean from the freezer? So how do I afford all this stuff? All this glitz and the glam and the luxury and the gold and the bling and the blow? I actually have to do some work. So this is my office area. As you can see, I just sit down here. I have a little sip of my coffee out of my Balenciaga coffee cup. And I continue to write in my Gucci notebook the plans and, you know, the billion-dollar dreams and goals that I'm gonna accomplish, if you know what I'm saying. I have this room for like another 3 hours. What are you doing? Go open the door smoothly, smoothly. So as you can see here, we have my primary suite here. It's about 500 square feet. We have 1,000% Egyptian cotton sheets. I had these flown in. Who is that?
Room service is here.
So after a long, hard day of work, I have to switch into something a little more comfortable. I like to sit here on my, what I call my mini throne. And then I just have my, my feet so graciously placed into my Balenciaga slides, as you can see.
Supposed to return these to the store tomorrow?
No, I told you, keep it on. I have plenty of drawers. And inside my drawers, what do you think I keep inside there? More drawers. I keep my drawers in the drawers. Taylor, you mind steaming these? Ew. So I sit here in my Chase lounge. And I just check up on the news every day and see what's going on. You know, I gotta be aware as a businessman. I have to take things seriously and be alert about the current events. Wait a minute, hold on. Who's on this magazine? Is this Shin Lim? Shin Lim? I managed Jabrizi. Shin Lim. My bed is a posturpedic $5,000 bed. It's the softest bed I've ever had. Check it out.
Hey Paul, what's the hotel Wi-Fi again?
The what?
The hotel Wi-Fi.
It's gonna be Venetian, and then the last name of the hotel guest, Lewis.
This is where I relax and unwind, but first, let me switch into something a little more comfortable. Taylor? Fitting for a king. Let's go.
Do you want me to put the do not disturb sign on the front door?
What? Welcome to my closet. This is just one of my mini closets. Gucci, Balenciaga, MCM, Versace, all my bags up here. But this is where I keep all my designer drip. So this is where I keep all of my jewelry belongings. And I just actually sit here. Hey, come. So this is the fourth of my 5 bathrooms that I have. Being a wealthy person, we like to have options. So I have 2 toilets. I have one for the number 1, and then I have the other toilet for the number 2.
How do you flush number 1?
What do you mean I need flush number 1? Silly, you just turn on these 2 knobs right here. So a king has to have a royal bathroom. I have my vanity with the 24 karat gold on the faucets in the mirror. Spray. One more, please, one more. Thank you. King size tub with the jacuzzi buttons. Actually, I'll show you how to work. All you gotta do is just press this button. A tub, or have a shower with the Versace towel. Let me go ahead and show you guys the shower. You just step on right on in here. Of course, I have marble all over the floor, the ceiling, the wall. Sometimes I just like to lean back and just experience a nice. Oh, come on! Oh! Are you serious? How do I keep this figure? Well, I have my own personal home gym. I gotta stay fit. So after all the physical stress and the mental, just the load of the world on your shoulders, sometimes you just want to take a place to relax and just rejoice, and that's why I come into my personal private sauna. Oh, it's hot as hell. Well, that's it. I appreciate you guys, MTV, for coming through my crib. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up out of here.
Actually, Mr. Lewis, if you have a second, you have an outstanding balance, and I need you to pay that immediately. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what the filming is, but we don't allow filming here.
Gotta go.
Excuse me, sir, you have an outstanding